Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my very first Shop My Stash. So if you guys want to hear about what products I'm going to be using in my Shop My Stash, how I'm going to be doing my Shop My Stash, because I'm going to be doing it differently than some people, and all that other stuff, then keep watching. So how I'm doing my Shop My Stash is I kind of just sat at my drawers that I have, and I kind of just looked at what products I haven't touched in a while or haven't never used, because I do have some products that I've never used just because I got them in my advent calendar, or just products that I just don't gravitate towards as often as I wish I did. And those are what I'm going to be using for the month of February. So at the end of February, I'm going to tell you guys how I did, and also throughout the month I think I'm going to try to do at least a video or two with the eyeshadow palette and some of the products, because I want to include a palette in every single one. I'm going to be using these along with my Project Pan items. And yeah, so then at the end of the month, like I said, I'm going to review everything, and then in that video I'll show you what I'm going to be using for the next month, if that makes sense. So let's get into this. So I know a lot of people include foundations and concealers. I don't use concealers, and I don't have a lot of foundations to choose from. I just don't see a point in having 50 foundations. I think that's absolutely ridiculous. I literally only have 2. That's it. So I'm just going straight to primer. I know that I'm jumping out of order, but we're just doing primer. So the primer that I'm using is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. And I know this isn't a real true primer, but I feel like it's an okay primer. And I kind of honestly forgot about this. I got the sample size at Sephora on my birthday when I went shopping. I'll link my birthday haul down below if you guys want to check it out. But I just haven't used it a lot, so I really want to, include it in my Shop My Stash, because I thought it'd be a fun product to use, and I really like it. I think it does a nice job making my face not look so crater-like with my pores, because my pores are horrible. Next up is a blush, and I'm going to be using the Doll 10 Hydrogel Cream Balm in Dulce. Don't judge me, but I don't know why there's hair in this. I don't know what happened, but I got this in my advent calendar. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I posted everything that I got in my advent calendar on there. But this is just really pretty, and I never tried it, so I thought, why not just include it in my Shop My Stash. It's just a nice pinky color, nice blushy color. It looks like a lot on my finger, but when you blend it out, it's nice. And when you blend it, it's weird. It doesn't feel like a cream, so I'm very interested in trying this. So stay tuned for the review at the end of the month. The next product I'm including is this Makeup Revolution Strobe Balm in Rose Gold. Again, I don't really know why there's an eyelash in here. It's stuck and I can't get it out, but this is just a really pretty highlight. It could be an eyeshadow, it could be literally anything. It's just really, really pretty right there. I'll probably include this underneath my foundation, because that's just what I like to use with any cream or balm. Highlight just underneath the foundation. I feel like on top of the foundation I go too heavy-handed, but this is just really pretty, and it's something I don't use a lot as well, so hopefully I use it a lot. Next up, for a bronzer and just another blush option, I'm including the e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Duo in Fiji. Now, I already panned the bronzer. I absolutely love the bronzer, but I feel like the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer that I'm using is just a little too light. I don't know why I've been feeling that way, but I feel like if I mix this and the Chocolate Soleil, it'll be a nice blend. And just the blush too, I really like as well. If I need to set the Doll 10, that's just a good thing to use to set, because they are pretty similar in color. And I would love to pan the blush in this too. Blushes are so hard to pan. Next product I'm including is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Stella. So I got this in my FabFitFun box for winter? I don't remember. But I haven't used it as much as I thought I would. It's just a nice, really pretty champagne color right here. And it's pretty for the inner corner. It's pretty for a highlight, all that jazz. But I just wish I used it more. So again, hopefully I use it more. And then for the palette, I chose the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons. I chose this palette because it has a lot of cool tone shades, and the other two palettes that I chose for my project pan, the Too Faced Chocolate Bar and the Havana Nights palette from Cargo, are both pretty warm tones. So this has a lot of cool tones, so I thought that would be a good balance. Also, I don't really reach for this palette as often as I thought I would when I bought it, so hopefully I do gravitate towards this more. If you guys want to see, I was thinking maybe doing like a palette bingo with this or something. Let me know in the comments down below what you would want to see with this palette, and I'll do it for you guys. And that is it for my first Shop My Stash video. Like I said, next month in the beginning or the end of this month, whatever, probably in the beginning of next month, will be updates on how I think I did with the products. I'm definitely going to take notes, either in my phone or on my notebook or whatever, so I could really give you guys a good review of how I think I did. Also, let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you want to see with this guy. Like I said, I'll do a palette bingo, I'll do anything. Just let me know what you guys want to see. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any other videos you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!